Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, I am Akash coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Tuesday, April 14, 2015. The weather in the village of Schaumburg is currently 51 degrees. We are expecting a high of 66 and a low of 41 with partly cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Caleb,
Charlotte,
Emma,
Kira,
pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
in sports. The Bulls beat the Nets 113-86. The Cubs beat the Reds 7-6. Clubs meeting today are the Green Thumb Club Group C at 11 o'clock in room 112. The Game and Conversation Club in room 109 at 3 o'clock. And tomorrow morning, the Rocketry Club will meet in room 210 at 7:45. Tomorrow, during lunchtime, Smensels, Smens, and Smarkers will be sold. $1 for the Smensels and $2 for the Smens and Smarkers. Now a word from Rowdy the Armadillo. Thank you, Rowdy. Here's today's interesting fact. Do you know that a tiger has stripes on its skin as well as on its fur? The discovery was made by veterinarians who had to shave off patches of tiger fur before performing surgery. Thank you to our special guest in studio, Rowdy the Armadillo. Too bad Mr. Smelser isn't here to catch him. That's all for today. This week's pre-broadcast pictures and sign-offs are brought to you by Room 113. Have a tropical Tuesday.